Master, kamira ng tres.
God bless.
Grace.
Yes.
We have a freaking tour.
We have a tour and we have to leave early.
Hello.
We're going there.
Doon kami, titingin kami ngayon.
We're going to shopping. Alright, see ya. Look at our besties. Tell me what happened.
I got hate crime.
By hot water.
The water dispenser, it hates Filipinos.
No, but he only had one job, honestly. He had to do was put the water and then pour it in. But he did it. He tried doing it. What happened ba? Like, how did it?
No, namali lang ako na-estimate.
It spewed like red.
Lumusod siya. It's terrible.
It was so bad. That was funnier a while ago. Well, we have sister and bestie, and then we have master. What's up, master? Oh, sorry. Summary. Vlog summary. Tapos puro yung vlog mo kahapon sa Gambangan.
Anong i-ask?
Uy, ano daw i-ask?
Ano po i-ask?
Si Shanine daw po mag-a-ask.
Ayan, okay na. Natapos ko na.
Ang galing. Galing niya, guys.
Okay, guys, while you are doing that, I just would like to share with you. Alright, this is like one of the examples that you can get from the marketplace.
Okay, mamaya na ako mag-vlog.
Here, Aria is actually a tool whereby you can actually.
Over here, you could see Top Charlie. In-game.
Game po siya.
In-game po si Miss Yodi. She's locked in. Serious. Yeah. Here's me and my bestie. Maybe a fat. And Boss Boots.
Ano daw? Okay, guys. Si Jacques po. In-game na naman po siya. In-game. Tingin sa mga Hergo eh. Ganun. Kunwari, time-lapse na nag-aaral tayo.
Alright, pero ako lang gumawa. Kita naman na wala akong tinatake eh.
Okay. Ulit. Tayong bilis na sinunod ang bagay na gumagano. Okay, time-lapse. In-game. Okay, ulitin natin.
Photos and TikTok before lunch.
Ulit, guys. Medyo baluktot lang dito. Alright. Photo. Para mas story. Ang ganda. Wait lang. Timer.
6.5.
Pero... Ayan, ganyan. Perfect.
Ilan yun?
Cute! You're cute! Okay na. Finally.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Maarte girls. For the gram.
Kita ba? I think
Hindi.
dito. Come here, Shanine. Cute. See ya. Hello, everyone from UTP. Bye-bye. One more pa pala. Solo pictures.
Current scenario, guys. Current scenario. That's the current scenario.
It's time to go for lunch. I really like it here. It's pretty safe. Bye-bye.
Okay. So
Hey y'all. What's good? So, how's the vibe? The vibe is great. How do you feel today?
Vibes amazing.
The vibes are, yes. We have new updates.
Si Bia, snob sa mga...
Kasi kala ko hindi
Mga
siya
nakilala
yun. So, medyo weird naman if I just say hi to random people.
But they just
So,
smile. and
yun nga. So I just looked at him and then I looked at him. Yung kaklase natin kahapon sa embedded systems, not Daniel, the one who's sitting beside.
Sa likod nila.
Yeah.
Reaction? Natin?
Di ba, Master? Love that. Si Ariel, kanina tutulog sa class. Si Doc Michi, ewan ko na yung mangyayari dyan. So yun, vibes naman po ang ating stay right now.
Honey. Ganda ng shots ko.
Oh, wow. Cameraman.
So, ang daming ikot.
Oh, 360. Guys, wala talagang magawa dito real now.
Okay.
meron po ba kayong picture ni Doc Michi na nag-propose?
Wala.
Gabi.
Michiching. Dapat may compilation ka dun. Tsaka yung ganun eh. Tsaka yung ganyan eh.
Parang siyang pwede sa going bulili. Going bulili! Cute naman. Ang cute naman. Boss Woods. Okay lang, pa-shirt. Tapos yung screen name niya, Woods. Woods! Parang Woods! Bugoy. Woods. Boss Woods. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you.
You can read.
2 meters back.
Very silent. It's too silent.
Last class in UTP.
Thank you, Gabby! Thank you so much. Ano yan? Kain sana kami sa ano. I don't know, guys. I don't know.
So ayun, we're gonna go through Village 5 to bili muna kami tubig. Bili tayo tubig. We're gonna go to Village 5 to go to the thing.
Yung friend ko, tropa ni Aya.
Ayun.
Bini.
But fruits. Going to We're going to basketball. It's okay. Sometimes life.
Sabi na, baka late lang.
Yung visions. So far, there's no vision. Inikot namin ni Gabi yung court. So,
Standard flow is so high.
ayun, now they're playing. Hey, get it. We...
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Hello everybody! We're gonna eat.
Hello, what's the vibe?
There's no vibe.
There's no vibe. Oh,
There's no vibe. Literally no vibe.
We got laksa. Laksa. Show me your laksa.
Laksa!
Laksa. Laksa. Cute. Laksa. Oh, she's so sweet. Sweet. Pretty good. I like it. Hey. Good. Play.
Set up.
Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Night walk. Night walk. Night walk.
Everybody.
Hi everybody. Whoops. Okay, go.
Are you shy?
We're with our friends.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay! Yeah, mabuhay! We're with, what's up, Marimar? We're with Marimar. Marimar.
Crazy.
Whoa!
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, the quality is really good.
Yeah.
How do you stop it? This one?
You just press it again.
Yeah. Here's our meal for today. Hey, cute. Table.
Mga pasan na lang.
Same please.
Okay. Spicy.
Oh,
Is it spicy?
It's spicy, yeah.
Yeah.
Parang hindi naman.
The one with
You saw no? Or is it?
Smile. Yeah, you
We're back in our village. Yeah. Thank you for driving us. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama. Bye-bye.
You guys will play.
I mean, if we
we usually just hang out around.
Ah.
If there are enough people, I think we can play. Yeah, it depends lah. If like there's no there got many people, actually we can play. If you want. I ask them lah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Salamat Malan. Salamat Malan. Terima kasih. Drive safe. We're finally back. We are back.
Grabe yung roller coaster of emotions.
Tapos kanina ayaw pa nila maglakad ng malayo. Oh, thank who now, bro?
Wait, talaga.
Thank me. Thank me. Girl. My God. Ang cute niya.
Ang cute.
Ang bait-bait niya talaga. Parang siyang sobrang baby boy.
Bebe boy.
Baby boy. Baby boy and our baby girl. Yung...